Hi everyone, welcome back to HierroShield's YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a Pico CTF problem, or we can say Scilab's problem, that is Interndec. So we will start with this problem. So here we can see the description for that problem is, can you get the flag? Can you get the real meaning from this file? Okay, so they have provided this file and you can just go to the website of Scilab and download this file. So once this file is downloaded, so as this is a cipher challenge, the basic thing would be we will be the basic. Okay, so sorry, I deleted that tab. So as this is a cipher text challenge, so basic thing will be to decipher it, right? So first thing for every cipher text challenge is to go to CyberChef or any decoding website. So for me, CyberChef is most trusted and go-to place for every kind of encoding, decoding, encryption, decryption, right? So what we will do, we will just copy that data from the file right into CyberChef. So in that file, we will find such kind of string. And if you guys are used to this field, you may be knowing the double equal to sign at the end of this thing represents an encoding. And which encoding does it represent? So it represents a base 64. So what we will do, we will just use this filter recipe from base 64. Right here you can see another string similar to base 64 is given, but additional thing is key b is appended to it. So what we will do, we will just using this option, we will replace the input with the output. And once this is done, what we will do, we will keep base 64 as it is, because we need to just look into this thing. Okay, so we have removed this, and here now it something looks similar to our flag. So what is this? This is basically flag, but as we can see, like previously we have solved problems there, it was a similar situation. So we can see the flag should be in format Pico CTF. So PICO CTF. Okay. So here P is replaced with W. So by looking at this format, we can guess it's an rotational or Caesar cipher mechanism used for here. So we will again replace the input with output. And for this time, it's not a base 64. So there's no need of base 64. We just removed this. And once we removed it, we will just use any of the rod. Let's take rod 13. So what it does, it just replaces W with 13 element ahead from W. Okay, so here is J. So the first and most important thing is we have identified the pattern, that is rod or Caesar cipher, by just seeing at restructured alphabetical pattern. So what we will do, how will we be knowing that this is correct rod? By just shifting this down or up until and unless you get Pico CTF right here. So that will be your file. So what we will do, we will just downshift it until and unless we get correct cipher. So it should be Pico CTF, right? Yep. So it's -7, or in other ways you can just go ahead in the positive as well. So there's no issue. Like we got -7, we will surely get something in positive numbers as well. So here we can see GHIJKLMNOP. So it's 19. So 26 minus 7, that is 19. So this is our flag. We will just copy this flag and we will check whether the flag is correct or not. So after executing it, so we can see the flag has been submitted successfully, and that was a correct flag. So this is how you can solve this problem of Interndec. So this problem is, we can say, medium level problem that has been allotted 50 points on Pico CTF for Scilab website. So this is how we should be solving it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly do mention any request if you have, or any particular problem you want to solve in comment section. We will surely get a solution for it. And do like, share and subscribe to our video for more such content. Thank you.